Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to turn your Snapchat profile public. So I just opened Snapchat and realized something. If your profile isn't public, you're basically posting into a void, like great content, zero audience. So here's what I did. Tap on my profile, scroll down a bit, and found the add to spotlight option. Feels random at first, but stick with me. I took a quick photo, nothing fancy, and posted it in my story. Now here's where it gets interesting. After doing that, I scrolled back up, and suddenly the option for public profile appeared. It's almost like Snapchat wants to make sure you're actually using the app before unlocking it. Sneaky but fair. Once I tapped in, my profile instantly became public. No complicated setup, no long forms. Quick tip: once you go public, people outside your friends list can see your content, so maybe don't post that blurry 2 a.m. selfie just yet. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.